Couldn't ask for a more beautiful day here in Virginia Beach. I'm Nathan Epstein with Mainivent Advertising. This is Sevannah Harvey of Hunt Club Farm. She's the general manager here, one of the best family-friendly attractions anywhere in Hampton Roads. And I'm here today to figure out exactly what makes this one of the best attractions in Hampton Roads. So, Savannah, you're going to put me to work today, aren't you?
I sure am. You're going to get dirty today.
Which is why I decided to kind of go with the non-business attire. But before we get started, why don't you explain exactly what makes this place the attraction that it is and how hard everybody here works?
Yeah, so the farm has been open for over 35 years. We have always been a place that families like to come, even just people who are on dates and want to bring, their boyfriend or girlfriend out to the farm. Everybody loves animals, doesn't matter how old you are, so that's kind of why our spot is a great local spot, local attraction. We're 5 miles from the ocean front, so we're really close for any tourists that come to the area. And yeah, we really like to cater to our locals. We do a lot of local events, our big Halloween festival, we do a big Easter spring fling, our harvest family-friendly daytime in the fall, we do a Santa event and Christmas. So, and we're always doing new things at the farm.
So what are some of the things that I'm going to be doing today to get this place ready?
Yeah, so today's going to be fun. We're going to go feed some of the animals. We're going to go clean up some poop, muck some stalls, and we're going to get the ponies ready. They have a big day ahead. All of our ponies are working ponies, so you'll get to see that. We're going to come up to the market and water some of the plants. And yeah, kind of see how the farm gets ready for the day.
All right, let's go.
So today we are gonna throw some hay for these ponies and then we're gonna feed them. So these 3 ponies in here, we have Cinderella, Kiwi, and Biscuit, and they're all gonna be fed their grain for the morning.
Awesome.
So we're gonna head on in.
All right.
And we're gonna have Lizzie today helping us out, animal care, and Kira as well. So they're gonna take us on into the field.
All right, just do 3 pats.
All right.
They seem pretty ready for their breakfast.
Yeah, they always are. So these are the big eaters of the group.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she said, you are late.
Uh-huh. Kind of drop and spread it out?
Yeah, might not be.
Like it's about time.
Yeah. Now we go back, get the buckets, and you'll really see them get hungry.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we're just gonna lay them down.
Lay 'em.
Yep, and they're gonna eat right out of their bucket.
All right. Does she have trouble?
About 2 feet this way.
Does she have trouble seeing a little bit, or?
No, but she just needs to know where it's at.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, there you go.
So you said this is the only horse?
Yeah, so he's our only horse that we have on the farm. The rest are all ponies and miniature horses. So Mr. Potter back here is a miniature horse, and our only males are actually the horses. So miniature horse, Mr. Potter is a male, Trooper is a male, the rest are all females. Mr. Patches is also a male, and he's a pony. But so the difference between a pony and a horse is their size. So a horse starts at 14.2, and they're measured in hands. So literally, if you take your hand from their hoof to their shoulder, and you just go side by side, that's how we measure our ponies and horses. You can also use a measuring tape, but that's not as fun.
That's not as fun.
Yeah.
How did Mr. Potter get his name?
So Mr. Potter actually has one blue eye and one brown eye, and he had a scar right here. So he is just like Harry Potter. So yep, that's Mr. Potter.
I can see it.
Yep.
I can see the I can see the Daniel Radcliffe resemblance.
Right? He has the brown hair.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So that was feeding the ponies. How'd you like it?
Hey, they're certainly friendly. They certainly know what they wanted.
That's right. That's right.
I guess you can't stop a pony from getting a good meal.
No, they know when we're coming.
So where are we going to next?
So now we're gonna head to the main petting farm area. We're gonna feed the main goat pen, which is the first goat pen you see when you come into the petting farm. And then we're gonna feed the chickens and the ducks. They're all very friendly, but they also like their food, so.
All right,
it'll
duly
be an
noted.
interesting time. Oh yeah, and they'll all come over. See, they're starting to come on over to
They can kind of sense it's breakfast time.
Yeah, they're like, you guys are late. Where's my breakfast? I'm gonna give this to you. You're just gonna shake it until we get over there.
They are hungry.
How was that?
I mean, I'm just glad they didn't jump on me. One thing I've learned around here is that animals know when their breakfast time is.
Yes, they sure do, and they will not wait for you. These are Peking ducks.
Peking ducks?
Peking ducks, yeah. They're a lot like Donald Duck. Yeah, Donald and Daisy.
Okay, so with them, personally, I like to spread some out.
Okay.
Just because chickens like to scratch. And also we have a couple bins. I see one filled with water.
Okay.
We're gonna go in the chicken coop. And
So same thing, just kind of.
Yep, just a little bit, but
Okay.
we're gonna go in the chicken coop right now and dump out the rest of it
Okay.
in their trough.
That's a rooster. Mm-hmm.
So what you're gonna do
Okay.
is dump it and then just pull all the way down.
All right, do
You
these
don't,
need
you don't even need that.
I was about to say, just the whole thing?
Yep. Yep, just keep going and then go back if there's more. Perfect.
Yeah, so here come the goats. Look, they're all doing their little happy hops.
Happy hops, is that what you call
Happy
it?
hops, yeah.
I've seen some
Well,
happy.
that's-
I've seen some happy headbutting too.
Yeah, they love that. Sometimes it's playing, sometimes it's I'm the bigger.
Sometimes it's I'm the bigger one.
Yeah.
So tell me what we're gonna do here.
All right, so we're gonna start down here pretty quickly and
Okay.
just dump over the fence and then come all the way down. So they're gonna follow us.
Okay.
So I'm gonna fill a cup for you.
Oh, okay, so we're going cup by cup.
Yeah, it'll be easier, but you're gonna wanna hold the bucket. So now I'm gonna come this way and you go that way because they're gonna think I have the cup.
Okay. So
And just dump it in your black bucket.
dump.
Yeah. Yep, and just keep going.
I see. So now they're kind of spreading out a
Yeah,
little bit.
now they'll spread out.
So anytime you see an open space here,
Yeah, just kind of dump it. There you go.
almost like you're playing a game with them.
Exactly. You gotta trick them.
Yeah. Oh, now some of them decide to cheat and just stand in the bucket.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys are cheating.
There's some down here that are open. There you go.
Some of them get a little extra in the ears, it seems like.
Yeah.
Now, once we get down to this amount, just kind of pour the rest of it.
Yeah, then you can just pour the bucket. Perfect.
Seems like a battle to
get some food.
to get some food.
You are welcome to go in there and visit them because they are very friendly. They're just like dogs. They will jump on your leg. They will sit for you. They'll
A little bit
run
louder
around
than
you.
a little bit louder than dogs.
Well,
Are they
depends. No.
Okay. I guess it depends on the dog.
Yeah, it depends on the dog. I don't know. I think I hear pretty loud barks sometimes.
That's true.
Whining can get up there in decibels.
That's true.
All right, so next we are gonna be mucking some stalls. Are you ready?
I'm ready, and I'm not going to reveal the animal, but you said that they're like big puppies.
They're like big puppies, that's right. And they love men, so you'll have fun with this one.
All right.
All right, let's go. Okay. All right, so this is our tool shed. Today we're gonna get our tools to muck a stall, and the first thing we're gonna need is a muck bucket,
All right.
which is this one right here. So you can do the honors and carry that across the petting farm.
Very good.
And then we're gonna need muck rake. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. And this is gonna be our tool, our weapon to get it all up.
Our weapon.
Perfect. All right, that's all we need to clean our next pen.
Sounds good.
So then this is our cow pen.
All right.
This is Gigi. I'll get her out of the way. Hi, Gigi. I don't have your food. And you just kind of walk in front of them. So this is Gigi. She has had a calf.
Okay.
Yep. He has moved on, and he's gonna have his own calves of
Gigi,
his
I don't
own.
think you want your head back.
Yeah, Gigi, that's not quite the food bucket. And then that's Bourbon. She's a
Bourbon.
couple years younger than Gigi.
Gigi and Bourbon.
Yep, Gigi's about 8 and Bourbon's 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old generally do cows get?
They can live quite a while, 20, 30 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Kind of like dog poop.
Okay.
Like we said, puppies. Okay, Bourbon,
Yep.
That's not food. And then just dumping it in the bucket.
Bourbon, I don't think so.
Yeah, you're gonna smell it in a second. That's not food.
So now that we finished up with the animals, we got to get the front area ready for business. So how are we going to do that? What are we going to be doing?
Yeah, so we're going to start at the farm market. The farm market opens at 10 a.m. with the petting farm. And so they've got to water all the plants, open the doors, get all the merchandise out, ready for business. And then we're going to stop in the office and make sure all our stuff is here.
All right, let's go.
To check the schedule, make sure everybody's here today. Kalia's here, Shannon's here. Steven? You're not Steven.
I thought I did a good enough job. Didn't I get the job?
Yeah, but where's Steven? And now we're open for business.
Awesome. All right, so we're going back over to the pony section. Seems like the stars of the show.
Yeah.
And what are we doing now?
So now we're gonna get the ponies ready. The ponies do work, and they go to work at the pony line. So we open our pony line at 11 a.m. So we have to get them ready. We have to brush them. We've got to put their saddles on, their bridles, everything to get them ready so that way the children can ride them today.
Awesome.
And we have Cinderella today and Trooper.
Cinderella and Trooper.
Yeah, and these are the ones we fed this morning.
Okay.
And Kira's gonna help us get them ready.
Awesome.
So we got Cinderella from the field and she's gonna get ready for the pony line, so we're gonna tack her. So here with Hunt Club Farm, we all use a universal knot, and it's a quick release knot. And so what you're gonna do, mine are not pretty. So you're gonna make a loop through here, and you just kind of braid it down, like loop and loop. Mine's pretty simple, but then it's gonna be able to pull really quick, and so it's a quick release. And through here we have all the saddles, the CSI pads, and basically the pony handler schedule and things like that. We have their halters, their lead lines, and everyone has an assigned place. You can see all of our ponies up here with their little photo. And we're gonna get first, you have to groom them. So what we're gonna do is we are going to grab a pick for their hooves. We're going to grab a curry comb, a hard brush, and a soft brush. And we're gonna come out here. First, we're gonna pick their hooves. That is one of the most important things with any pony. You've gotta clear that out so it prevents a lot of issues and it's probably more comfortable for them. So we're gonna go down, actually I'm gonna turn the opposite way. And Cinderella's really good, she's a pro at this, so she's gonna lift her foot. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take all of that out. It does not hurt them. It is the same thing as our fingernails.
All right.
And then we're gonna take out all that gunk, all that mud, and we're gonna just brush it out. Perfect, and you just grab her by right here.
Right here?
Yep.
Just making sure I'm not, and this doesn't hurt them at all?
Nope, not at all. You get all of that out. Good job.
That seem good?
Yep.
All right.
All right, first step for brushing is the curry comb.
Curry comb.
So you're gonna slip that on your hand. And what this does is lift up any dirt or anything like that and really put some muscle into it. You're not gonna hurt them.
Not gonna hurt.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go around in a circle.
I was about to ask. I got a feeling this is probably their massage therapy session.
Absolutely.
All right, so this is called the tree walk, right?
Yeah, this is our tree walk adventure. We check it each morning to make sure that there's nothing dangerous, hazardous up here, anything that could cause any tears or any broken wood across the bridges.
So we got some pine cones here, and you say that this is something that...
Yep, you definitely want to pick up any pine cones because little kids love to run across this and you don't want them slipping, tripping.
I haven't done that in about 20 years. Oh, better landing than me. All right, you guys are all open.
Yeah, now that everything's been done for the morning, we're ready to open.
Am I hired?
You're hired.
All right.
You got the job.
All right. Well, first of all, I have to say thank you very much. And second of all, what a lot of work that goes into making this place run.
Yeah, it is definitely a morning's chore to get this place open. The animals are fed, horses are ready, and we're ready to have all the kids come.
All right, Hunt Club Farm, it's one of the best family-friendly attractions anywhere in Hampton Roads. You're gonna wanna come here. They have events going on all season long. And Savannah, thank you very much.
Absolutely, it was a pleasure.
All right.